Hey guys, in this video I'm going to do a bike check for my KHEbikes purple Flictrix. So we got Odyssey grips at the top. Very nice, they're comfortable, I like them. Miracle black pearl bars. With the black stem and the white bars. We got Colony forks and Colony, I believe 12 spoke rim with white anodie. And we got this mountain bike tire. It's alright, it's not that great. And we got this KHEbikes, whatever that says. If you guys can see it. And we got this Miracle seat. It's alright. I don't really like it. It's the only seat I had though. Got these KHEbikes cranks with KHE pedals, both sides. Our sprocket is a United Recruit RN2 sprocket. The back wheel, we got a 12 spoked Miracle rim and white anodie with a street bike tire. Okay, that's my bike check. I hope you like this video. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so my next video will be my Flictrix collection, and it might be a little long. Sorry about the length on this video. I'll just go. Bye.